Meet you again. Today is the 80th day of the candle fair. After 2 days will be finished. So today I'd like to invite Elena to talk something about the Latin American markets. After I will share some information based on the feedback of our old customers,
Yes.
hoping to give there some ideas. So now let's welcome Elena first.
Actually, uh, this year we have more time to stay at home with our family. More time in kitchen, yes. And we cook for them. We enjoy memory time with them. And actually, the epidemic is just a pressure test for us. People still need to eat, enjoy tasty food, spend time with friends and families. So cookware always is enjoy interesting and a stable and a master business. Now, Thanksgiving, Christmas season approaching. Many factories are running in two shifts, even runs 20 hours with fully automation. We are running crazy to catch flight time. At this moment, to prepare for now and the future, someone is planning to set up a local production line, and some others are coming into automation. Here's some details for you. Have a look. Here is some data from Alibaba. The past 6 months, cookware exporting oils and sardines, also tapas y las mesas.
Thanks, Elena. Okay, now let us explain what they are doing exactly.
Okay, Jessie have more details. Uh, Wait, she will explain one by one. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, here I have two parts for one is for newcomers and another for the customer who already have the factory. So the first one, use is a photo in the screen. Here is a Cosmos. Correspond for the non-stick pot, glass lid, and some models like induction button and the black lid handle. Next, I will show you one video. Uh, who is the non-stick factory? This one is for the foaming part, then go to the washing line. After washing, go to the sandblasting. Depend on the different quality. Normally inside the sandblasting is enough, but some good quality need also outside also need sandblasting, like in the video. After inside and outside sandblasting, we need to go to washing again. Only use water is enough. Here's loading for non-stick. Dust remove. Base coating. Base the coating drilling. And the cooling. It's middle coating. After coating, need a hand temperature drying. Here's for outside coating. outside base coating and the top coating. After QC, then go turn to transfer to driving. Okay, then coating line battery is finished. So if someone have interested the open plastic coating line, so you can watch this video. Next, I will show some information about uh, to share to the customer who want to upgrade the technology. First, I want to compare the semi-auto with the manual. Let's see this video first. It's traditional forming by manual spinning. You see in the video the workers working very hard to finish one product, and also the capacity is limited. Most of them need ask for more salaries. This situation is similar like you. Let's share this video for our CNC spinning machine. One worker can control 2 or 3 machines, and the production capacity have guaranteed. Also, the cost reduced.